So we're trying to find out where the arts fair is. Craft fair in Shipshewana.
LaGrange County.
I know, it looks like it's in a couple of different places.
Vacuum?
You're kidding, is it the real rainbow?
My gosh.
Yeah, so anyways, it's supposed to be $5 to get in for senior, but I just don't know where that would be. Well, we discovered that what we're looking for is nowhere near where we are.
Okay, so I'm gonna put that there.
So where we're supposed to be going, if we go, we might go tomorrow because it's too far away. It's we might go.
Well,
but
Saturday.
there's so much to see here.
Weren't we going to? When are we going to see him?
Haylet's going to be Saturday, so that would be tomorrow.
Saturday.
But we could always do Haylet on Tuesday.
Yeah.
So we do have that option.
If
there's
we wanted to do that.
there's a lot of stuff right around here.
It is an amazing amount.
So we're going to
of
check this out as long as we're here. You want to walk over there?
This way, I guess.
Or we can bump into each other.
Yeah, we can do that too.
Yeah. $6 buggy rides, Amish hand-cooked meals, dairy farm tour. I think Don wants to do a buggy ride. Buggy ride. That was so fun. Butch
was on a horse, and just the countryside, learning about them and how they and how they live is just amazing.
Awesome.
The Amish people are such warm and wonderful people, ready to answer questions for you.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
It's just so nice.
And now I'm smelling bakery.
Bakery.
We need to get food.
We need to go find food.
I need to get food before I want to stop in the bakery.
That's what we need, honey.
All right.
We're outside.
Oh my gosh! Check
this
these
is
out.
what we need for our patio.
Check that out. It's a swivel rocker.
I love it.
A swivel rocker glider.
This would be so cool to have outside. Oh, and they have it in green.
That's just a rocket. That's just a glider.
Prices are amazing.
Let's go find some food.
Okay.
That's the bakery. Go away, bakery. We need to go find food. So we made it to the RV/Motorhome Hall of Fame and Museum and Library. Not sure what the library part is, but I think we're going to soon find out. So we made it to the Hall of Fame.
We did. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so
This is
we're still
interesting.
over there. Yeah, it's I got a feeling, I'm expecting it to be cool. At least it sounds cooler than in your head. I mean, yeah, so we're going to figure this out. Oh, this is interesting. Why is this parked here? Is this somebody's rig or is this part of the Hall of Fame?
Might be part of the Hall of Fame.
It's a cool old rig. That's awesome. That would really be bad to walk in Yeah, and this is kind of cool. Go RVing. I love the other side of it. We got wheels. Well, I think we need to go in and check this place out. I'm concerned about walking in that rig out there and finding somebody having breakfast. All right. And they are open, so here we go.
Oh, wow.
Is this the library? No, I'm sorry, I shouldn't troll. Don't troll. And this is just the lobby, so into the theater. Before we get any further though, I do want to clarify, it's not RV and motorhome, it's RV and manufactured housing. Okay, just want to make sure that's clear. Yeah. So this is the RV Founders Hall. We'll start there.
Okay, let's start there. So I guess we enter here.
Yeah. This is, so Airstream, is this like every year represented in one unit? Okay, I don't know. This is pretty funny. They came into a floor plan that worked, and everybody kind of copied that. It sounds really familiar. Yeah, they have a floor plan that works, so everyone copies it. Oh my gosh, my dad had this rig. Yeah, I know, it looks just like it. Oh, check this out. There's a lot of space. It's the old Bounder. What year was this again?
1985.
A 1985 Bounder. That's the latest in appliances. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is May West. You can tell by the headlights. No, sorry. So this belonged to May West. Wow.
The 1931 May
West house car. Oh my goodness.
So this was basically, the Hauser car was basically custom made for May West to entice her to come to Paramount Studios to come out of vaudeville and start making films for Paramount.
So she had a back porch.
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. I saw the door. Yeah. Kind of has a train feel to it. And the 1935 Bolus Road Chief. These were interesting. You have this door in the back.
Look at the way that's shaped.
It was made by, if I'm not mistaken, patterned after an aircraft design.
I
In
could
fact,
see that.
if I'm not mistaken, let's see, is this the same people that designed the Spirit of St. Louis?
Okay, so this is the one.
Yeah, they were a sailplane
This was the
builder.
one. So it was skinned in aluminum to reduce the weight and enhance the appearance of the vehicle.
Wow. That is one ugly family truckster.
Custom built. Look at this one.
Custom built Starstreak 2. 1988. When did National Lampoon Vacation come out? Because that front end, that is truckster all the way. And then we got this thing. It's a trolley car. Holy cow. Oh, it's an actual trailer. Is there a back door to it? Yes, there is. A 1929. Oh, it's. I was looking at the back end. I thought it was. That was the front end. 1928 Pierce Aero Fleet house car. Oh my goodness. For 1928, that's pretty amazing. No camping trip is complete without those trays and matching cups.
Exactly.
Because that is such a classic Winnebago look. It is a box on wheels. And that was supposed to be comfort. My gosh. Overhead bed. Kitchenette. Dinette in the back. You know, they did have the right idea with rear living. Too many times you put the bed in the back, and when you back into a site, you lose all of that view out your window that works out so great when you've got a rear living area. You can sit at your table and look out over the lake or whatever you're backed into.
Welcome to a tour of our model recreation vehicle manufacturing plant. This presentation is designed to give you a general idea.
So shall we retire to the upstairs? Well, I gotta see the library. I mean, that wasn't the library we saw before, so. library. They have every single edition of Camping Magazine, Escapees, Trailer Life. Pretty much every single magazine from the industry is right here. Outdoor Living, Pop-Up Times. It's amazing. If there's a magazine that was ever printed, they've got it here, and they've got just about every edition. So that's kind of fun. I wonder how we can find an old one here somewhere. I think we need to see what's inside one of these. This is Trailer Topics magazine from August of 1951. Most widely read trailer magazine in America. Wow, 20 cents a copy back then. $2 if you wanted a year subscription. So, the new Pontiac Chief Deluxe model. That's a pretty awesome floor plan. So some nice, awesome articles, the latest in products. Oh my gosh. Yep, they even had table and chairs and booths back then too. Nice. It's funny how some of the problems are still problems. How to avoid frozen pipes. Wow. Silver State 35. That was quite the thing back then. Trailer Dealer Directory. I doubt any of these people are still around. Pretty awesome. Cool. Well, that was fun. That was pretty cool.
That was really kind of cool. It's a lot bigger than it actually is on the inside right at the moment.
It's bigger on the inside.
Yeah.
It's a TARDIS.
Yeah.
It's the RVMH Hall of Fame TARDIS.
Yeah. And MH Manufactured Homes.
Manufactured
Like
Homes.
you said, it's not open right now, but hopefully by
Next year.
This time next year, it should be open. So.
Cool.
It was very cool and some interesting, real throwbacks to memories, even one Dad had. So.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
And my uncle, I mean, this is like going back to memory lane. I don't want to think that I'm that old that I actually have seen some of these when they were in use, but there you go.
There you go.
Well, you know what? We're going to end this video here. I'm not sure what all you would have seen up to this point, but we are going to be leaving Elkhart, Indiana soon, so we'll make this kind of a closer for that.
All right.
Don't forget, hit that subscription button.
And hit that bell that you know almost every Sunday.
Yeah, too. It's been a while. Yep, and check us out on our website, www.ourroadtocamelot.com.
And Facebook. And Instagram.
Yeah.
Our Road to Camelot.
So, I think it's more than fitting outside of the Hall of Fame here to say safe travels.
Sláinte.